Welcome to the Canva intro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you the basics in using Canva. If you have never used Canva before, this is the perfect video for you to watch. If you already have used Canva before, I would just skip this one and go on to the next one. So we're going to start with what everything is on this main page here. If you look up here, this is going to be the title of your document. I just put hello. Here you're going to have file. You're going to have Canva has these new things that you can do. I'm not quite sure if you need a pro to do this, to magic switch or resize or do translating. I'm not sure if that is something that only pro users have the option for, but that's where you'll find this menu. On the left side here, you will see that there's many different options for you to go through. We'll start with the design. If you're starting a design from scratch in Canva, this is going to be the perfect place for you to just grab something and then change it a little bit and then use it. You cannot design something off of Canva here and sell it. Unfortunately, you have to design something original. For some of these, you're going to need to use Canva Pro. I have Canva Pro. I love it. I use Canva every single day for personal and work things. So if you are somebody who needs a program that can do many things, this will be the perfect program for you. So now we're gonna go into elements here, and this is a really fun section as well. You have your shapes. If you just click on here, you have a shape. You can like make it whatever size you want. You can change the color. You can change the transparency here. So there's many options in this section here. You can use graphics, right? There are all these different kind of graphics. As you can see, some of them are free. Some of them are going to be pro version. So you have your pro, you have some free. So you kind of have to do some searching for the free stuff. There's a lot more pro items. Again, if this is something you'll use often, it's totally worth the amount it costs per year. They also have this AI image generator. I haven't used it because it's not part of my workflow or anything, but I think that's a pretty cool feature to play with. If you keep going down here, you can do videos, you can do audio. There are some charts, tables, and then this section here is where you're gonna grab some frames to drag and drop images into. So here's the frame, you can resize it, and then you have all sorts of different frames in this section here. So I'm just gonna delete these. Right, if you want to delete an element in Canva, you just need to click on the thing and then press the trash can here. If you want to duplicate that thing, you just press this button here and then it'll duplicate. Or you can press the backspace button to delete it. Okay, the next option here is text. So in my wedding binder and in my wedding planner, I have the text already there, text boxes for you. So you can just click in there and then just type in your text. I do, however, also have the option of opening a template that doesn't have the text boxes for my wedding planner. So if you prefer something like that, this is going to be a good section for you. Here, this is where you can get all sorts of different texts from. There is going to be free texts and there's going to be pro texts. So here, you can do heading, a subheading, and a body. So to put on the lines that I have in the wedding planner, you're going to use the body here, and you can just type in here, my name is. You can also change the font. by highlighting it and then going to font here. The free fonts will just kind of look like this. There's nothing beside it. But if we scroll down, you can see the ones with these little crowns are for pro users only. All right, so, and if you want to select multiple things on the Canva thing, you just need to click and drag and then delete it. Here's some really fun pre-text, fancy kind of text. You can click on there and, you know, edit it however you would like. So that's a fun feature. I don't use it very often because I normally do all my own texts and stuff like that. And some of these are going to be using pro features, which not everybody has, so I do not put them in my designs. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the uploads section here. As you can see, these are a bunch of images that I have uploaded already. You'll probably have already seen these in the wedding planner or the wedding binder. And these images I just grabbed from Pinterest. I downloaded them onto my computer and then I just uploaded them into Canva here. And later on in another video, I will show you how to upload files. So we won't do that right now. This is just kind of a basic run through of Canva. Back to over here, there's a drawing feature. You can do that if you want. I, again, never ever do it. It's just not part of my process. Projects, I will go into in another video. This is a bit more complicated and you'll only use this if you've purchased both the wedding planner and the wedding binder. Canva can connect to some apps here. I don't really use this stuff either. Photos here is Canva's version of their stock photos. So anything that doesn't have that little crown in the corner is a free image that you can use. If you select one with a pro, Canva will not let you download your planner to use. You will have to pay a fee if you do not have the pro. So you just click on it, one that you like. This is a free image and they can click and drag. You can also search in here. So you'll see there's a bunch of different wedding photos that you can, if you have pro and you like some of this stuff and you want to use it for inspiration, feel free to do that as well. Canva also has videos that you can use. I don't ever really use this feature, again, because it's not part of my workflow, but it might be something that you're interested in. All right, so I am going to head over to this corner here now. And this is going to be helpful if you are sharing this template with other people in your wedding party or your wedding planner, and you want them to also have access to your template. So you'll go to share, and then you will select maybe we'll have to go under more here. I always do template link, but if you don't have a pro version, you cannot use template link, and template link will just make a copy of your item. It will not let people edit your item itself. So I think what you would go under is public view link here. And then you would share that as well. All right. I think this is everything that you're gonna kind of need in Canva, just kind of the run through of the basics. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and you can watch the next few videos that will go more in depth on how to use your template that you purchased. Have a great day. Bye.